Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Welcome again. I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah, and Alhamdulillah I am also fine. Today I am going to discuss with you the characteristics of a square and the characteristics of a trapezium. At first I am going to discuss the characteristics of a square. So before that you have to know the definition of a square. So the definition of a square is: a square is a shape with 4 equal sides and 4 right angles. And here this is a figure of a square. In the figure ABCD is a square. So from the definition and from the figure of ABCD square, first we can write that all sides are equal and opposite sides are parallel. So from ABCD square we can say AB is equal BC is equal CD and is equal AD. So we can write that AB is equal BC is equal CD is equal AD, and opposite sides are parallel. Here AD and BC, two opposite sides, that's why we can write AD is parallel to BC and AB and CD are two remaining opposite sides. So they are parallel to each other. So we can write AB is parallel to CD. So our second one, all angles are 90 degree. Since from the definition we get 4 right angles. A square have 4 right angles. So we can say angle A is equal angle B is equal angle C is equal angle D, and the value of angle A, B, C and D is 90 degree. So the last one is diagonals are equal. If we connect B and D point, then we will get diagonal BD. And if we connect A and C, then we will get diagonal AC. Here AC is equal BD. So that's how we can find out the characteristics of a square. So now we are going to discuss the characteristics of trapezium. Similarly, at first you have to know that the definition of a trapezium, and here is the definition: the quadrilateral in which only one pair of opposite sides is parallel is called a trapezium. In here ABCD is a trapezium. Now we can write some characteristics of a trapezium. The first one is, from the definition we can say, two sides of a trapezium are parallel but not equal to each other. Here AD and BC are two parallel sides. So we can say AD is parallel to BC, but AD and BC are not equal. So we can say AD is not equal BC. So now we will go to our next characteristics. The other two sides of the trapezium are not parallel. Here AB and CD are two other side or remaining side, they are not parallel to each other. So we can say AB is not parallel CD. Now the last one, the distance between two parallel sides of a trapezium is always same. As we know that the, AD and BC are two parallel sides, so the distance between AD and BC is always same. So that's how we will find some characteristics of a trapezium. So my dear students, that's all for today. I hope this class will help you a lot. Practice more and more at home. Take care. Allah Hafiz.